and welcome to Math Easy. Let's find the area of the shaded portion in this diagram. If you look closely, this diagram is made up of three semicircles. So we have this bigger semicircle as one, we have a smaller semicircle, let's call this two, and this other semicircle, let's call it three. Now to find the shaded portion, we are going to subtract the values from the areas of these two semicircles from the area of the bigger semicircle. The formula for calculating the area of a semicircle is area of a semicircle is equal to 1 over 2 pi r squared. Pi in this question is given to us as 22 over 7, where r is the radius. We are going to determine the radius for the bigger semicircle and the radius for the smaller semicircle. So the radius for the bigger semicircle, let's call it r1, is going to be this total length xz, which is the diameter, divided by 2. The total length is 7 plus 7, which is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7 centimeter. And then we are going to determine the radius for the two smaller semicircles. So xy is the diameter for this second semicircle. So the radius for the semicircle is going to be, if we call it r, it's going to be 7 divided by 2 centimeter. Now let's find the area of the shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of the bigger semicircle minus the areas of the two smaller semicircles. Let's calculate the area of the bigger semicircle. We have the area to be equal to 1 over 2 pi r squared. This is equal to 1 over 2 times pi, which is 22 over 7, times the radius, which is 7. So 7 times 7. 2 we go into 22, 11 times 7, we cancel out 7. So 11 times 7, we have the area of the bigger semicircle to be 77 centimeter square. So the area of this bigger semicircle is 77 centimeter square. Now we are going to calculate the area of the two smaller semicircles. Remember, they have the same radius, so we are going to calculate 1 and then multiply the value by 2. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, it shows you are enjoying the lesson and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post a video, you would be the first to see it. Thank you. Using same formula for the area of the smaller semicircle, we have 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. We simplify, 11, 7 cancel out. So we have 11 times 7, which is 77. 2 times 2 is 4. So the area of the smaller semicircles is 77 over 4 centimeter square. The area of this smaller semicircle is 77 over 4 centimeter square. Same here, 77 over 4 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded portion is going to be the area of this bigger semicircle, which is 77 centimeter square, minus the sum of the area of these two smaller semicircles, which is 77 over 4 plus 77 over 4. If we simplify the terms in the bracket, we have a common denominator of 4, and then we have 77 plus 77, which gives us 154. So 77 times 4 will give us 308 minus 154 divided by 4. 154 divided by 4. So its lowest term, we use 2 to simplify. 2 we go into 4 2 times, into 154, it will go 77 times. So therefore, the area of the shaded portion is equal to 77 over 2 centimeter square, and this is our answer. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.